For example, the generator side would be working on 200 MVA base power. The transmission line has a base 1 base for the whole system and also require conversion of different bases to the selected one. And the same calculate the pre-impedance according to a new base value. We can then write the formula as this: Z base nu squared divided by S base nu. Putting this equation to find out Z per unit nu. GeneralPAC.com, making power systems intuitive, open, and free to everyone, everywhere. Consider subscribing and supporting through patreon.com/GeneralPAC. Our corporate sponsor for this topic is Illumiax.com from Seattle, Washington. Contact them for industrial and commercial power system studies.